What is up, guys? It is 3 in the morning here. It's Saturday. I just took a nap. I only slept 2 hours yesterday. Went to the gym, slept for 2 hours, and then traded the NFP a little bit. Anyways, let me share my screen and show you guys how many accounts I passed with just my funded futures. As you can see here, I've gotten 10 emails from them saying that I passed the same thing. Um, so with MFFU, my funded futures alone, I passed 10, and there's probably like 6 other accounts that I passed. And let me share my thoughts with trading futures. Um, Let me share a screen here, the trading view screen. All right. So with futures, I certainly think that it's a little bit harder than trading forex with the forex prop firms, only because I say it, I have said it many times, only because of the drawdown rule. With forex, majority of the accounts that you purchase, they got 10% drawdown, overall drawdown, and 5% daily limit most likely. With futures, you get 4% drawdown of the 50K, and all the other accounts above the 50K size, you get 3% overall drawdown, and that's how much room you have, to play with before getting to breaching the account. Well, the upside is that you only have one phase to pass, but building the threshold part where you have to build a buffer, and whatever you make above the buffer is what you're going to be able to withdraw. So that's the pretty much the phase two. There are plenty of guys who are doing really well. There's a guy named Trade with Travis. I've seen his YouTube channel, and with a 30K account, static account, where you get only $1,500 with drawdown, he has made 20K in profit. His winning rate is 70-80%. I looked at how he trades. It's nothing like special. As in, I'm not trying to discredit the guy. He's just playing the pullback. He's just playing along with the order flow. He gets in, and he takes quite a bit of trades. So, in a different sense, you could say that he's over trading, but he's winning 70 to 80% of the times, which is giving him that kind of profit in the long run. He's also made like $18,000 profit on the 100K account, I think, expert account. So he could withdraw like 15K, which is 3K above the buffer, right? At any time. So passing is not the issue. I feel like majority of the people who pass are not able to keep the account alive because of their risk management. Because the challenge evals are cheaper than the Forex challenges in terms of pricing. You could buy and reset as many accounts as you want without really hurting yourself financially, in my opinion, compared to Forex challenges. I think that's what people take advantage of with the futures. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I passed probably 5 challenges this week, and I reset only once. I got lucky this week somehow. I passed 3 accounts at the same time, same trade. I was pretty confident in that trade, so I took it. But yeah, with futures, you don't really have that much wiggle room in terms of the drawdown. So you gotta really know how to manage your risk and kind of size down with the trades. I've been using a lot of the minis, but I'm thinking of going down to using the micros once again. That's what I started out with. But at one point, I thought I had it down within a week. So I started using minis from micros, 5 micros, 10 micros. I went up to 2 minis, even up to like 5 at one point. Um, yeah, everything comes down to managing risk. And today, I mean, yesterday I had a payout from my funded futures. It was my first payout for the futures prop firm. Hopefully, there's gonna be more to come. But I'll be honest with you guys once again about this. But I have blown over 4 funded accounts, 4 funded accounts now with futures because I wasn't managing risk. I was chasing that paper. I was chasing that money. I see these guys withdrawing 30K, 18K. I'm like, what the fuck? I deserve it too. Well, I don't deserve it. I'm not thinking like that, but in my eyes, I'm like, I gotta get to that level too. I gotta get to that kind of withdrawal and really pay myself because I have bills to pay, right? Anyways, that's the thing about futures. Just letting you guys know you can't hold the trades overnight. I have explained that as well. But if you are not living in the US, go with a Forex Prop firm because going with FTMO, Funded Engineer, Alpha Capital Group, they're all reliable so far, at least up until now. So, anyways, have a good weekend, guys.